Hello everyone, welcome to my House Talk channel. Today our topic is how to sell your house by owner for the most profit. 1. Tips for prepare your home for sale. Clean and declutter. Make your home presentable by deep cleaning and removing any unnecessary items. A clutter-free home appears more spacious and appealing to potential buyers. Make necessary repairs. Fix any obvious issues such as leaky faucets, broken tiles, or peeling paint. Consider minor upgrades that could increase your home's value. Enhance curb appeal. First impressions matter. Ensure your lawn is well kept, the exterior of your house is clean, and consider adding some plants or flowers. 2. Set the right price. This is the most important fact to sell your house successfully. If you list your house price too high and because no one wants to look at it. So you need to research the market. Look at the prices of similar homes in your area. Online real estate sites can provide valuable information on current market trends. Get a professional appraisal. A professional appraiser can provide a more accurate value of your home based on its condition, location, and market trends. Consider a competitive pricing strategy. Pricing your home slightly below its market value can generate more interest and potentially lead to multiple offers. 3. Market your home. Professional photography. High-quality photos can make a significant difference in attracting buyers. Show your house details and sometimes use drone picture to let people have more sense about your house environment. Consider a virtual tour or video walkthrough for a more immersive experience. Create a listing. Write a compelling description of your home, highlighting its best features, recent upgrades, and any unique selling points. Be honest and detailed about the property. Choose a platform. There are several free platforms where you can list your home for sale by owner, FSBO. Some popular options include Zillow. You can list your home for free on Zillow with unlimited photos. Simply create a profile and follow the instructions to list your home. For sale by owner. This website is specifically designed for FSBO listings. Provides tools and resources to help you sell your home without an agent. Facebook Marketplace. You can reach a large audience by posting your home on Facebook Marketplace. Oodle. Another free platform where you can list your home. After the house listing, you'd better to start thinking. Open houses and showings. Schedule open houses and private showings. Be flexible with showing times to accommodate potential buyers. Now you will need to do 4. Respond to inquiries. Be prompt and professional in responding to inquiries from potential buyers. Schedule showings and be prepared to answer questions about the property. 5. Negotiate offers. Review offers carefully. Carefully read all the offers, not just pay attention on the price but also other terms like contingencies and closing timelines. Negotiate terms. Be prepared to negotiate with buyers to reach a mutually acceptable agreement. 6. Close the sale. Accept an offer. Once you accept an offer, the buyer will typically conduct an inspection and possibly an appraisal. Complete paperwork. Find a real estate attorney to help you to handle the necessary paperwork, including the sales contract, disclosures, and closing documents. Attend closing. Send your executable contract to a reliable title company or use real estate attorney. On the closing date, you'll meet with the buyer, their agent, and potentially a closing attorney to finalize the sale. At the closing table, you'll receive your payment, and the buyer will get the keys to their new home. 7. Post-sale considerations. Cancel utilities and services. Make sure to cancel or transfer utilities and any other services to your new home. Keep records. Retain copies of all documents related to the sale for future reference. By following these steps, you can sell your house by yourself. But you need to research and market your house by yourself. You need to negotiate, answer buyers' questions, and handle sell contract by yourself. You need to find closing agent by yourself too. It is a lot of work to do. A real estate agent can handle all of these and do so much more for you. for how to sell a house with a real estate agent. Please watch my next video. Thank you for watching and see you next time.